Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows antivirus turned off or your Windows Defender is not working. How you can solve this problem? It's very simple. You have to press in your keyboard Windows plus I. It will going to open your Windows setting. After you have to click on privacy and security. Click on that. Then you're going to select Windows security. After you're going to find out virus and threat protection. Before you can click on open Windows security. Into the Windows security, here is your virus and threat protection. Click on it, and over here is a virus and threat protection setting. So click on the manage setting and turn on your real-time protection. Turn on it, and this will going to solve your problem. Okay, so yeah, this is how we can simply solve this problem. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.